Dongguan Reach Outdoor Products Company Limited. Established in 2006. Is a certified manufacturer of high-quality inflatable products with multiple patents. We are ISO 9001-2015 and BSCI certified, and have collaborated with over 1,000 brands including BMW, Audi, Huawei, Oppo, Hoka, and Adidas. We specialize in inflatable advertising arch pillars, inflatable advertising tent, inflatable furniture, camping tents and equipment, which are widely used in outdoor advertising campaigns, sporting events, exhibitions, and family leisure. Our 8,000 square meters facility houses 150 skilled workers and over 100 advanced machines, producing more than 30,000 inflatable tents annually and exporting to 78 countries. We provide full customization with OEM/ODM services, strict quality control, and reliable after-sales support to meet your specific needs.